Hey guys, it's Matt from Big Box Garage. We're doing a little bit of wiring in the car tonight. I got one of those universal 22 circuit harnesses from Speedway. My good friend Chris Maddox is over helping me do it because I am not a wiring guy at all, and he's pretty darn good at it. So far what we did tonight was Chris and I got mainly Chris because he could fit everywhere, got the body harness all taken out and ripped out, and we got everything done there. Now we're just starting to run and figure out where to put all the wires and everything else, get it all hooked up. We got some time-lapse videos of us sorting through wires and everything else. I meant to do an unboxing on this kit, so sorry I didn't, but I will find the link for it because I have it saved, and I'll post it in the comment section on this video. Guys, it's a great kit. It's a high-quality kit. It upgrades you from glass fuses to the blade fuses. And I mean, like I said, I got the 22 kit one. It comes with hookups for power windows, so I'm eventually going to do power windows in the car. AC hookups and everything else, flashers. It comes with everything. So definitely check this kit out. It's worth the price. It's worth it. It's only like $180.
Yeah, it's like $189. I've actually got the exact same kit. I can bring it over actually, so we can do an unboxing tomorrow whenever we work on this a little bit more.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll do an unboxing on that kit so you guys can see how thorough the instructions are and everything on them. Because I mean, it's a fantastic kit for the price, instead of paying absolutely out the butt for painless harness. So all right. We'll shoot part 2 tomorrow. I'm going to post a short part 1 tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
If you don't have a knife, you have an Allen wrench, and you have a zip tie to brake, all you got to do is wiggle it in underneath there, give it a twist, snaps right off.